Hey, this is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create a website using AI in just 2 minutes. Yes, in just 2 minutes. So if you are new viewers in this channel, subscribe the channel and turn on notification bell. At first, go to focus.com. This link I will attach in description below and click here. Then go to this is a focus.com. Then go to here, enter your email address. Example of I put my email address and create my website. Just click here. Then select your what type of website do you need right now. So I am choosing an online store. Then choose your niche. Example of I need a cosmetic store. Then select continue. Then select your product. Example of a facial treatment, nail hairstyle, and body massage. Example of I choose all. So if you need more, then what type of website do you need? Example of write a blog, sell product, get booking, collection testimonial. So I need this one, sell product, continue. Then I choose a business address. If you don't have any address, then select online business only. This doesn't matter. Then type your business name. Example of MD Kalam Shop. This is my business name and continue. Then select three, highlight unique aspect of business. Example of I choose this one and friendly. So this is really good. Now, how do you like your website visitor to contact you? Example of I need website contact from only. So if you need more, then click three. Select three option. So now you need to customize here. Example of I need number two style. This is really good for us. Number three. Wow, this is really good. So I choose this one. So click here, create my website. Then you need to few seconds for create this website. Now my brand logo. So if you have your brand logo, then choose this one image. Then put your image here. So logo, upload your phone, upload your media. So I choose example of this button. So this is for example. Then add alt text for this image. Example of I choose MD kalam. So this is alt text. Now this is my logo. This is example only. So if you need any customization, any custom button add here. Don't worry, you will able to add here. You need to few second for the customization. This layer, this photo, this photo, this photo. So I don't need any customization. So just click here, use custom domain. Then if you want to buy a domain, then click here. So I don't need a domain. Then click here for view website. Wow, this is your website. This is your own website. So if you are new viewers in this channel, please subscribe the channel and this video for if this video is informative, then click like button. See you next video. Thank you. Tata.